Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Yay! If you're new, welcome. Please like, please subscribe, and comment down below about what you think about my videos. Don't forget to watch your other ones. And then if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and view another video. Your support is super appreciated, guys. So yeah, I just got my parcel from online grocery shop, and I figured let us just do the unboxing together. Sorry about the mask, I was outside. Let me just remove it. Yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna do the unboxing together, guys. Hope you like the video. Please do, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so these are the boxes, guys. It's merely just food inside because Mokele, it was going out of food. I was running out of food and I had to, order basin mixer. Honey, this person. Okay, they all got my names and stuff. See this one? Okay, you don't have to see my address or anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox. Let me just set up my phone on the ring light stand, and then we do the unboxing. Yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna start with the first box. It's this big one over here. What? What? Guys, this is not what I ordered. Basin mixes? Okay. Let me try to open this one. Maybe. What? Guys. Okay, this is what I ordered now. Oh my god! Okay, now this is what I ordered. I am still shocked and in awe of what just happened now. Like, mistakes are meant to happen. This is not nice. And for some reason they gave it to me. So I ordered this towel. Okay. Best before they're still in good condition. I ordered cheese cows. I ordered biscuits. Huh? I ordered biscuits. And then this they had to replace it because they didn't have more of the mild and spicy, so I had to replace this one. And then I ordered beetroot. I think I ordered more of this cheese cows. Ooh, I ordered. Okay guys, as I continue, I ordered butter beans. I couldn't find the cool baked beans, the normal one. So I figured salads will not hurt a girl, So I ordered this too. My favorite is tomato sauce. I don't know what the heck is this, but then thank God it's not broken. I ordered tomato sauce. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'll just call them. I ordered it's a stewed barbecue sauce, and I ordered fruity juice. I ordered sweets because really didn't take long. I ordered sweets because your girl has cravings. I didn't tell you. Your girl has cravings. I ordered pads. I'm not even gonna use them anytime soon. I'm surely gonna use them in December. You know what's happening. I'm gonna say shit. I ordered this, a pack of that. Now this is what I was looking for. This is what made me wanna, cause my skin is cracking up. It's winter and my skin is cracking up. So I ordered some petroleum jelly, Vaseline, and then I ordered the plate I work, or yeah, the secret clean linen thingy. Yeah, they didn't have it in lavender. It's not as bad. I don't think. I hate this now. Oh, I ordered Aramet, my fave. I even boiled eggs, guys. Oh, I added some extra masks. You know what's going on. So I ordered extra masks, and I ordered this. What is this? Chutney. I love the hot one. It tastes better. You know, now I'm putting things here, and I feel like I'm gonna regret it. Yeah, so this is literally the things that I ordered. But I like $2. I don't know what's going on with them. Okay, I also added toilet tissues. Cause I feel like the sweets are nice. I also ordered dishwashing liquid. I'm not throwing them to the bin because I feel like it's full already. I ordered my all brands because I've been feeling constipated lately. So yeah, I ordered all brands. Oh shit. It didn't look this small. But I wanted to try the Robinson's Golden Crispy. Don't know if you can see. Golden Crispy barbecue spice. It's coating when I'm frying meat and stuff. I also ordered rice because your girl loves her some rice. A whole lot of rice, if you ask me. And I ordered some Janko oats. This is my favorite. And the original pack. I love Janko oats. The original packs. And then I believe in here should be the what do you call it? It's the noodles. Guys, I love noodles with all my everything. And I literally got like 40 packets of noodles. I ran out and I didn't want to run out some more. So I figured, okay, kid, if you're gonna buy noodles, you better stock up, okay? Because it's not nice, guys. Like, it's not nice when Mogele wakes up in the middle of the night with some cravings and she cannot find her favorite things. You understand? Yeah. And I was just telling my baby daddy, I'm like, hey, babe. Your girl deserves some pregnancy allowance. Hello, I'm spending so much on this baby and it's not even here yet. What the fuck? Ding dong dong, guys. Oh my god, ding dong dong. So I got how many? I got 40 of this. I got 40 of the yums. Yeah. This is exactly what I ordered. And what I'm wondering now is who the fuck are these boxes for? These other 2 boxes are not mine, guys. I mean, I don't know if the courier guys made a mistake or something, but they did. You know what? They did make a mistake because I am so sure that this things are not mine. I did not order unless if my order took forever to come. Unless if unless if they are actually apologizing for the late delivery. I mean, your girl waited, guys. I waited until I didn't want to wait no more. I was even complaining and telling them, you know what, ne? Bring my money back because your girl's going hungry here. Yo, your girl went hungry. Yeah, I don't know. Let me just move this. Move out of the way. I mean, everything is here. I just don't know why they make such a huge mistake. I mean, like my everything is here. And my total was 679 rand 26 cents, and then the standard shipping was 79 rand. So they charge you based on what? They charge you based on the size, kgs. So mine was 7.3 kgs. I don't know how they do it. They did it anyway. So yeah. Okay guys, that was it for me and my unboxing. Yay! So Bubba Girl now is gonna feed her cravings. Oh yes, I'm gonna feed my cravings, and then I'm gonna call the courier guy, tell them they made a mistake or something with the other boxes. Comment down below about what you think about this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Guys, we are growing, yes, guys, we are growing. Now we are at 218 subscribers. Thank you so much for each and every one of you who subscribed to my channel. Before we went AWOL on everybody, and recently when we just popped back and be like, thank you guys, I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Please go check my previous videos. I have a blog, I have a bit of moss video, so please guys, please do watch those. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give some your girls some love, because I love y'all. Please guys, support a black child. Support a black child, guys. From your girl, Precious, my lady. I'm out.